Right, guys, it's not time, it's bonfire night. We're just gonna wait for the fireworks to come. We're just gonna wait for the fireworks. Now, where could this be? Oh, I just saw someone there. Now, where could this be? Right, come on. Where the heck are these fireworks? I don't see any fireworks. I think they might be around the back. Yeah, wait for the fireworks. Guys, you hear that? Lots of fireworks. Let's go this way. Oh, that was a big one. It's coming over there. So it might be coming from over there. And I don't see any fireworks at all. No way there's fireworks around here. Check how bright that is. See how bright that is. You guys hear that? That's a firework, guys. That's a firework. So guys, we're just hear that? There might be the police. Right. So where is all that fireworks coming from? We're just gonna wait for these guys. Actually, I don't see any fireworks around here. That might be it. Guys, there it is. Hold on. There it is, you see it right there. Here's the fireworks. Right, here's the fireworks. We can see it. It's right there. It's been 2 years. It's been over 2 years, guys. 2 years. Right. So. We need to see more fireworks. Let's see if I get more fireworks. Right. Hear that? You hear that? Let's see if I can get Right guys, so you can hear that. Let's see more fireworks. Where's that coming from? From there? Or even over there? Right. Let's focus here. It is. So here we go. Here it is, guys. We're just gonna wait for some fireworks to come. Oh, wait. Where's that coming from? I think you can guys hear that. Right guys, I hope you enjoyed this. Thanks for watching. Subscribe or else I'm gonna smash a camera with a pickaxe. Bam, 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 bam. Anyway, bye bye. Bye bye.